Alright, let's talk about how to use GirlfriendGPT. I've been playing around with GirlfriendGPT lately and it's an awesome chatbot. And today I'm gonna do a full GirlfriendGPT walkthrough slash tutorial. We're gonna talk about how to subscribe, how to roleplay, how to create characters, how to use the image generator and some additional features. So yeah, let's dive right in, guys. GirlfriendGPT has a free plan, but it's pretty limited, I would say. I believe you can only send like 50 messages before you get hit with the paywall, and then you'll need to subscribe to enjoy more messages and image generations, creating characters and all the sexy stuff. Subscribing to GirlfriendGPT is pretty easy. First, you'll need to look for the sign in button. Then you're gonna sign in with your existing account or sign up with a new account. So let me just do that real quick. There we go. So what you want to do is they always have like a button and then you can just click on that, or you can use the navigation on the left, click on membership, which will get you to the pricing page. And here you can pick from one of the two subscription plans they have. They currently run a discount. I'll leave the link of that in the description. So knowing how to create characters on GirlfriendGPT is probably one of the most difficult parts of this AI girlfriend platform. It boils down to just a couple of fields. So you got the character name, the character image, the character age, the tags, description, personality, first message, scenario, example, conversation, and recently they did an update so you also can pick the character voice. So there are multiple ways you can build your own AI character. What I recommend is that you join the Discord channel because there are tons of guides there. I actually talked to one of the GirlfriendGPT character creators and he allowed me to publish an awesome article about how he created his character, and it's pretty awesome. So I'll leave the link to that article in the description. He's gonna explain to you step by step how he creates his characters and you can just copy that. I really like the image generator of GirlfriendGPT because it's very easy. What you wanna do, first you wanna select your character. There are basically two ways you can do to skin the cat. First of all, you're gonna start a new chat or an existing chat and you're just gonna use one of the 4 commands you can give to ask for images. So you can use can I see, send me, and show me. So if you say like send me a picture of you, then the AI character should send a picture. And there we have it. One thing I really like about the in-game image generator of GirlfriendGPT is that you can just hit this button and then you can turn an anime style picture into a realistic one and the other way around. And I think this is just so awesome that they have this feature because literally no other app I've used have this feature. The second way you can do to generate images on GirlfriendGPT is that you use the image generator. So if you look here, then you'll see that it says AI image generator. So if you go to that section, then you basically have 2 main sections you need to fill in. You got the prompt and you got the style. Depending on which style you choose, you also get to decide the creativity. So let's start with the prompt. This is where you type in whatever you want to see. So you can say something like cat woman in the park. Make sure you separate your prompt with a comma. One thing that you can also do, I recently discovered this, is that you can use brackets to put emphasis on your prompt. So if you say blue eyes and you put this between brackets, the AI image generator will put much more emphasis on the blue eyes. So from this prompt alone, we can expect a Catwoman walking in the park with sky blue eyes. So you got 3 style generators. The anime one is the newest one and it's super cool. So I'm gonna pick that one and let's just see what we get. Looks pretty accurate to me, wouldn't you say so? So let's try the same prompt, but then we're gonna do realistic one. And now we get to decide the creativity. The way I understand this is that the higher you go towards the 1, the more the AI will deviate from your prompt. So if I put this all the way at 1, and now let's try to generate the same stuff with the creativity at 0. And I don't see much difference, to be honest. They both look super cool. But yeah, anyways, that's how you generate images. You can also hit the dice here. That will give you a random prompt, just good for inspiration. Role-playing on GirlfriendGPT is as easy as 1, 2, 3. However, there are a couple of tips I want to give you. If we hop over to one of the characters and we're gonna start a new chat, notice a couple of things. First of all, don't forget to select your character profile. So what you can do, you can manage your chat profiles here. character, make a new one or select an existing one, put any specific information you want in, and generate this card within your chat so the AI character will never forget specific details. I'm just gonna select where we met, and it says we met at the bar in Tokyo. So if I would ask my character right now, where did we met? And she says at a bar in Tokyo. So that's just a great detail I want to give you. Another thing I want to tell you in this GirlfriendGPT tutorial is that whenever you feel like that your roleplay conversation has died, or you just want to take another direction, then I highly recommend you play around with the NSFW toggle. What this actually does is that I discovered that a lot of the time when your roleplay dies, you hit the NSFW switch and it just opens like a whole new story. So yeah, definitely something you want to try out for yourself and see how that goes. And lastly, if you're ever stuck in a situation, then they have this button and it's really like a gem. You can just hit continue and basically you can just let the story unfold until you want to hop in. If you ever need support from GirlfriendGPT, then there are two major ways you can get in touch with them. So the first one is to email support@gptgirlfriend.online. Usually they respond pretty fast. If you want an even faster way, then you can always open a support ticket. This is a method and I believe it only works for deluxe members and not for free members. You're gonna hover over to the Discord channel. You're gonna click on the support channel. You have 3 different flavors. You can either open a billing issue, a support ticket, or a user reporting ticket. And the process is pretty straightforward. They reply every time I open the ticket, they reply within hours. So that's pretty fast. So that's it. If this video was any helpful to you, please put a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as a sacrifice to the YouTube algorithm gods. And if you want to have more information on how to use GirlfriendGPT and a full GirlfriendGPT tutorial, then check out my article. I'll leave the link in the description. It's pretty in-depth. It will also bring you to like some additional articles about GirlfriendGPT tips and how to use the image generator, how to create characters, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'll talk to you soon. And if you have any questions, just drop a comment and then I'll reply to you.